Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can track someone on Google Map. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to track someone on Google Map, firstly open your Google Map application. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Location Sharing. Share your location and turn it on. Now you can share your location either for an hour or until you turn it off. Tap on the second option. Share it through any of your social media's account and send it to the person you want to locate. Now as you can see, the person you have sent the location will receive the message like this. They need to open the link which will take them to the Google Map. They need to click the share location link and continue. It will display the distance between you and the person that you want to locate. This is how you can track someone on Google Map quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.